Hi guys, with another video. This is the Samsung TV. As you see, screen is shows like you see the lines, all these lines. This is the screen is gone. This is the Samsung. What is that? Let me see. A model number is, as you see, UN 40H503AF. So I don't know what to do with this TV. Yeah, if you guys know how to fix, just let me know and I can fix it. What I need to do next. This is the screen. Yeah, shows like this. Yeah. If anybody has any knowledge, I'll be appreciated for that, and if you share your knowledge with me. Yeah, this is it. What I know, that I need to change the screen, but in this case I don't have any experience. Yeah, that's reason I am asking you guys. Any information, let me know, and I'll I'll be appreciated for that. And now I'm gonna try to open the back case. I just want to check it out. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time with another video. Bye bye.